Gender stereotypes are generalized beliefs or assumptions about the traits, behaviors, and roles that are considered appropriate for individuals based on their gender. These stereotypes are often limiting and can affect self-perception, opportunities, and social expectation. UNICEF 2022.
Buding! Buding! Apa yung ano? Buding!
Boys are typically expected to be strong, independent, and emotionally restrained. These stereotypes discourage them from expressing their vulnerabilities and pursuing a role that is seen as feminine, such as caregiver's career. This is according to Birmingham and Albertine University.
Ano ka na mag-aral?
Ano, wala ka pang pangarap sa buhay.
Mukha bang may pangarap sa buhay yan? Wala nyo. Speaking of pangarap, ano yung mga tips?
Gusto ko na lang ulit yung pagpapayag.
Pilot? Di ba itong lalaki yun? Lit-lit mo pa. Magluto ka na lang sa bahay nyo.
Girls are often stereotyped to be more emotional and passive, less suited for fields like science and leadership. Studies show that in their early childhood, they already internalized the belief that boys are more often or more likely to be more brilliant and successful in technical fields, making them feel discouraged to take into consideration STEM, according to Park et al. And Bien et al.
Emotional expression is more accepted in girls, but their mental health concerns may be overlooked or minimized. University of Birmingham 2024.
지난 봄에는 널 우연히 받고 더 이상은 우연이 아니었으면 해 스치기만 했던 너의 손을 잡고 어떤 길이라도 같이 걸었으면 해